Good morning. In civics lesson 1, we have learned about the Union Parliament. And in lesson 2, we are going to learn about the Union Executive. Lesson 2 and 3 are about the executive. And in lesson 2, we have to learn about the President of India and the Vice President. But in this year's syllabus, we have to learn only about the President, his elections, his powers and functions. These all things we will learn in lesson 2. Okay. Article 52 of Indian Constitution says that there shall be a President of India. The Constitution itself says that there shall be a President of India, and the President of India shall be elected indirectly. Regarding this election, regarding his powers and functions, everything is mentioned in the Constitution. So, first we learn about election of the President of India. The President of India is elected indirectly. And in order to be a President of India, there are some qualifications. We have seen in lesson 1, in order to be a member of Parliament, some qualifications are there, some eligibilities are there. We have seen should be an Indian citizen, should not be an insolvent, should not have a criminal background. Like this, some 6-7 points we have learned. Those are the qualifications to be a member of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Similarly, in order to become the President of India, one should have some qualifications or some eligibilities. A symbol, first of all, he should be an Indian citizen. In order to contest any election in India, one should be a citizen of India. You remember that is a basic point. In order to contest any election in India, one should be a citizen of India. So the foremost qualification to be the President of India is he should be or she should be a citizen of India. Second one, age limit. Should be at least 35 years of age. Minimum age limit to contest the presidential election is 35 years. So should be at least 35 years of age. And the third qualification should be eligible to contest the election of Lok Sabha. Should have all the eligibilities to become a member of Lok Sabha. Third one, should have all the eligibilities to become member of Lok Sabha. These are, we know, member of Lok Sabha, what are the eligibilities required? So all the eligibilities required also. So these are the main qualifications required to be the President of India. And the President of India is elected indirectly. The manner of election of President is different. President of India is elected in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote, and that is through secret ballot. That is the manner of election of President, the way of election of President. What else are there? In accordance with the system of proportional representation. One is system of proportional representation. By means of single transferable vote. Single transfer vote through secret ballot. The President of India is elected in accordance with the system of proportional representation. Proportional representation by means of single transferable vote, and that is through secret ballot. This is the manner of election of president. The president of India is elected indirectly in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote, and that is through secret ballot. And in order to elect the president, okay, before going there, the president is, we know, president is elected indirectly. Who elects the president? President is elected indirectly, and who elects the president? The president is elected by an electoral college. Okay, the president is elected by the members of electoral college. The members of electoral college elects the members of electoral college elect the president of India. Vice president of India is also elected by an electoral college. So, what is electoral college? Electoral college is the body which participate in the election of president and vice president. The members who participate in the election of president and vice president is called electoral college. For the group of voters who participate in the election of president or vice president is called electoral college. So the members of electoral college elect the president of India. And what is the composition of electoral college? Or who else are the members of electoral college? Electoral college composed of the elected members of Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Elected members of state legislative assemblies and elected members of union territories, Delhi and Puducherry. These all are the members of the electoral college. Okay. Electoral college composed of the elected members. Remember, only elected members can participate in the election of president. Okay. So, elected members of parliament. Elected members of parliament. Second, elected members of legislative assemblies. Members of legislative assemblies. Legislative assemblies of all the states. Okay. Assemblies of all the states. And union territories. Union territories, which union territories? Delhi and Puducherry. Union territories, Delhi. And Puducherry. Puducherry is the new name of Pondicherry. Pondicherry or Puducherry. Or in other words, we can say members of the legislative assemblies. Members of all the legislative assemblies. Here, members means elected members. Okay. Elected members of only elected members are allowed to participate in the election of president or they already becomes the members of electoral college. Elected members of parliament. That means elected members of Lok Sabha and elected members of Rajya Sabha. Then elected members of all the legislative assemblies. Only two union territories are having its own legislative assemblies. They are Delhi and Puducherry or Pondicherry. So, in short, we can say elected members of all the legislative assemblies, okay, including this state and union territories. That means. So, this is the composition of electoral college. And these members of the electoral college only cast vote in a presidential election. Okay. Now, that's all regarding the electoral college and regarding the voting. And for the other elections, for Lok Sabha election, or this Rajya Sabha election, or any other election, if a member is willing to contest the election, he or she can contest. Meets the qualifications. If a member or if an Indian citizen who meets the qualification for election, he or she can contest the elections for the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, or any election. But for presidential election, anyone who wants to contest the election cannot become the presidential candidate. Okay. In order to be a presidential candidate, there should be minimum 50 members of the electoral college. 50 members of the electoral college must propose the name. Okay. If a person, an Indian citizen who wants to contest the presidential election, must have the proposal or must have the suggestion of minimum 50 members of the electoral college. Okay. At least 50 members of the legislative assemblies or parliament, they are proposing that one person can become the president, then he can contest. But that is not enough. If 50 members are proposing the name of a candidate, another 50 members of the electoral college must support that proposal. Okay, 50 proposals are needed. Proposals. And if 50 members of the electoral college propose the name of a candidate, which is supported by another 50 members. Okay. Another 50 members must support, that means the second is. Another 50 members support the proposal, then only that candidate can file the nomination letter for an election. Then only the candidate can contest for an election. So minimum 100 members of the electoral college is proposing the name of a candidate. Such a candidate only can contest the election, presidential election. That's why I told all the people who meet the eligibilities to contest the election cannot contest the presidential election because it must have a minimum 100 members of the electoral college. Okay, 100 members of the electoral college, that means minimum 100 MPs or MLAs must propose or must support the name of must suggest the name of a candidate. Then only such a candidate can contest the election. Okay. And election, I told the manner of election, that is a proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. The proportional representation, that is to get the representation of equal representation of all the states and different parts of the country. The proportional representation is made, and proportional representation, a formula defined on proportional representation is also there. Another one is there, single transferable vote. Single transferable vote means in presidential election, the voters can cast votes as many votes as the number of candidates. Normally during the presidential election, there will not be much number of candidates. There may be 2 or 3 candidates. That is because the members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and members of the Legislative Assembly is only proposing the names. That's why normally the ruling party one and the opposition parties one candidate will be there. And if more than that, then also there will be 2 or 3 or maximum that much will be. And if, each voter can cast number of votes, as many votes as the number of candidates. If 3 candidates are there, each voter can cast 3 votes. If 4 candidates are there, each voter can cast 4 votes. Okay. So the ballot paper is made in such a way. Suppose 3 candidates are there. 3 candidates. Okay. Just imagine this is the ballot paper. Candidate number 1, candidate number 2, candidate number 3. Okay, 3 candidates. Their name is A, B, C. 3 candidates. Okay, and in this election, suppose a voter number of Lok Sabha, is casting his vote. This is the ballot paper, and suppose the member. He can cast the vote according to the preference. In my opinion, suppose I am a member, I am a voter in the presidential election, and I want to cast my vote to candidate B. In my opinion, candidate B must win the election and candidate B should become the president of India. Then I can cast 3 votes. Okay. I cast my first preference vote to candidate B. That is, I am casting my first preference. When I put 1, I am casting my vote to whom? Casting my vote for B. Then 2 more votes are there. I can cast 2 more votes. I can mark my preferences against A and C. Suppose if B is not getting elected, okay. If B has less chance to get elected, then I'll choose who should be the next candidate. If by chance B is not getting elected, then who should be the next candidate, next representative. In my opinion, is the second preference is to C. If by chance B is not getting elected as the president, then C should become the president over here. Then I am asking my second preference vote to C. My second preference. Okay. And if B and C both are not getting elected, then I can become the president. So I am casting my third preference to A. So this way I am casting the vote for each member of the parliament, each member in the electoral college cast their vote in this way. Okay. If there are 2 candidates, then only 2 preference vote. Okay, only 2 votes. This way the single transfer vote is in this way. So thus the president is the voting is conducted in accordance with the system of proportional representation and by means of single transfer vote. At the time of counting of the votes, first the first preference votes are counted, and if any of the candidate gets a clear majority, that means more than 50% of the votes, then that candidate is declared as the elected one of the president. But if no one is getting as a clear majority in the first preference votes, then the second preference votes are counted. Before counting the second preference votes, the candidate who got least number of first preference votes is eliminated from the list. Okay, 3 candidates are there. Then what happens? One is eliminated, one is removed. When the first preference votes are counted, the candidate who got least number of first preference votes will be removed from the list of the presidential candidate. Then the second preference votes are counted. And when the second preference votes are counted, then any of these 2 candidates will get a clear majority. And that candidate will be declared as the president, or will be declared as the elected president. Okay, that's what about the presidential election. Then the president of India is elected indirectly. Okay, there is a reason. There is a reason. It's important. Why president of India is elected indirectly? The reasons are, one of the reasons is ours is a parliamentary form of government. Okay, in a parliamentary form of government, the Prime Minister with his cabinet and council of ministers run the administration, and the president should be a nominal head. And in order to make the president a nominal head, he is elected indirectly. In a parliamentary form of government, president should be a nominal head, and in order to make him a nominal head, the presidential election is conducted indirectly. Another reason is, if the president is elected directly, suppose the election is direct election, then the people will cast vote for the presidential, cast vote during the presidential election. And if the people are casting a vote during the presidential election, the president will be answerable and responsible to the people rather than the council of ministers. And he may act rival center of power against the council of ministers. There may be clashes between the council of ministers and the president. So there shall be problem. Okay, if president is elected directly, then the president will not have much commitment towards the this electoral college, much commitment towards the cabinet, towards the council of ministers. So he may act against the council of ministers. So there is another reason, he may act as a rival center of power. And there is another reason for conducting this election indirectly. Then another reason is, since the members of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the legislative assemblies are participating in the election, he becomes the head of the nation, because members of Lok Sabha are representing the people. Okay, members of legislative assemblies, they are also representatives of the people, and members of the Rajya Sabha are representatives of the states. So since the representatives of the people and the representatives of the states are participating in this election, it is he becomes the head of the people only, or he becomes the head of the nation, because they are our representative and our representatives are elected the president. So indirectly the president is becoming the representative of the entire nation. So then again, what is there? The presidential elections are a very expensive process. Okay, and in order to avoid the expenses and the time consumption, this presidential election is held indirectly. If presidential election is conducted directly, that will cost for much expense. Okay, much expense and much time. And that is why to reduce the time consumption and reduce the expenses, President of India is elected indirectly. Okay, these are the reasons for conducting the presidential election indirectly. And once the President of India is elected, he can remain in office for a term of 5 years. We will learn term of office and his removal, like these things we will learn in the next class. We were learning, in last class we were learning about the parliament. And today I am giving you a work. You write the answer for the question. Question. What are the reasons? What are the reasons for saying Lok Sabha What are the reasons for saying Lok Sabha more powerful than the Rajya Sabha? Okay. Why Lok Sabha is such more powerful than the Rajya Sabha? We have learned some of the exclusive powers of Lok Sabha and exclusive powers of Rajya Sabha. Okay. So you write this answer. Answer you write not simply you don't write. Okay. You write the reasons. Some reasons we have learned. You write the answer. And one more question. What are the special powers of what are the special powers of Rajya Sabha? Okay. Another question, what are the special powers of Rajya Sabha? These two questions, you answer these two questions, okay, and you send the answer to me in WhatsApp. Okay, not in the group, okay, individually, you forward the message individually in my WhatsApp. Okay, and learn this answer. Okay, you reach what are the things I explained today regarding the president election. You learn.